BLAZE allows you to fine-tune the detailed functions of your connected cameras and devices. Note that only users with the appropriate permissions can change these settings. First, select your desired camera from the device's list in Settings. From Video tab, you can set the primary stream and secondary stream for your camera. The primary stream is used for high-quality live viewing and recording, while the secondary stream is used for multi-channel live viewing or efficient continuous recording to help conserve network bandwidth. You can also enable Wise Stream mode, which automatically adjusts the bitrate based on motion or object detection, allowing you to save storage space efficiently. Image tab allows you to adjust the camera's brightness and focus to ensure a clearer video for both monitoring and recording. From Motion tab, you can turn motion detection on or off using the toggle button. By default, the entire area is set for detection. You can click Add Motion Area to specify a custom detection zone. You can also set the sensitivity and minimum duration to reduce false alarms. Objects tab is only available for AI cameras. All object detections are set by default, but you can disable specific ones if needed. For example, if you disable face detection, no events will be triggered or recorded when a face is detected. Webpage tab allows you to access the camera's web page through a proxy, which is useful for accessing the detailed settings of a camera on a different network.